Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Tesla report for Tuesday, January 10th, 2023. Before I jump into the charts, please click like and subscribe if you would, and share the content with friends and colleagues. Greatly appreciated in getting the word out. Just a real quick catch up. If this is the first time you've watched the Daily Tesla Report, you'll know that about a month and a half ago, we had a settlement below a long-term support region that's presently between 160.22 and 168.33. That is now our ceiling really through February, and it actually is expected. Following the first target closing below this area was this zone here, also on the weekly chart between 98.22 and 109.93. So the objective was met, and now we can rally back into the 160s over the next 3 to 5 weeks. That is the big picture. So I'm not going to say any more about that. And what happened, I don't know what happened with this blue thing here. I'm going to cut that out. What happened on Monday was that we actually closed above this descending channel top, this 2-week channel top that today is at 118.30. And assuming we open today above 118.30, this is decent support now through the rest of the week. And over the next 3 to 5 days, we should push on up into the 139 handle, or wherever the trend lines are that those represent. And that is found here on the daily chart. You can see 139.18 to 139.37, convergent trend lines. I'm not a big trend line guy. I mean, I watch them. I draw them everywhere, looking for, minor points that you can pivot off of for a day or two. But when they converge like this, and they're both longer term in scope, this one goes back to early last year, almost a year ago, and this one back to the September-October high area, then yeah, if we test this area over the next 3 to 5 days, and I am expecting it above 118.30, it can contain weekly buying pressures, possibly through next week. We could fall off from here back into the 98.22 to 109.93 region, which is why I say 3 to 5 weeks for that 160s target, because it allows the market to top out in the upper 130s on the way up for at least a full week of trade. And so there's that. Once again, holding above 118.30 will keep the 139 handle in reach, possibly by Friday's close over the next 3 to 5 days, where we could top out through next week. And if we close above 139.37, then the targeted 160s are likely within just another week or two of trade. Let's talk downside today. If we happen to break or open, especially open below 118.30, we can quite easily fall back to 110.81, which is an intermediate short-term channel top that can contain daily buying pressure. So for you day traders, breaking or opening below 118.30 is an opportunity for 110.81. And inversely, opening above 118.30 is an opportunity for 127.28 today. 127.28 is a minor trend line coming down. It can contain intraday, possibly daily buying pressures. If we push through 127.28, I am not expecting the 139 handle on an intraday basis, but I will say that if we close today above 127.28, you should expect this area within just another day or two. Hi, if you enjoy watching our daily Tesla report, you'll love our daily Triple Q and SPY reports. They're presented in the same 5 to 10 minute video format. Our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis provides directional market signals that are correlated with highly specific price support and resistance levels. Whether your trading time horizon is short or longer term, we promise you a distinctive edge in your trading of the SPY and Triple Q. We offer a 5-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So go to wickedstocks.com right now and start receiving your daily SPY and daily Triple Q reports today. Now, once again, downside, breaking or opening below 118.30, 110.81 in reach, where we can place a daily low. And if we settle, well, first of all, if we settle below 118.30, I think we've got a good weekly high, and we could fall back to 98.22 by Friday's close. And if we settle today below 110.81, we should test 98.22 tomorrow, Thursday at the latest, where we could actually once again bottom out into February trade, possibly through February trade, and that is the steeply descending channel bottom here on the weekly chart. This area was an objective from about 4 weeks ago. It can continue to contain selling through January into Feb. And from here, once again, over the next 3 to 5 weeks, anticipating the 160s, 160.22 to 168.33, where we could top out through the rest of Q1, through March, and fall back again to new lows from here. And as I've been saying, for those of you who are looking to invest long-term in Tesla and your time horizon is through 2023, I would recommend doing so only if we get a settlement back above 168.33. Then I think we've got a good long-term low, and this thing should keep going higher. One last thing I will say, and it's not going to happen today, but if, you know, at the end of the week, let's say we close below 98.22, this market keeps showing heaviness as we move into February trade. And in fact, I have a daily chart that would show that as a scenario. So right now, there's a steeply descending channel bottom at 80.82. You know, for instance, if we were to sell off today and over the next day or two, test 98.22, and then on Friday we close below 98.22, then we enter another sell signal that should play out into February trade, 80.82, then a quick 2 to 3, 3 to 5 day target, and this 4-month channel bottom, presently at 68.36, likely within a couple of weeks of closing below 98.22. Overall, closing below 98.22 at the end of the week does allow this market to unravel, believe it or not, all the way back to that 23 handle March 2020 COVID low. But I'm not expecting that unless we close below 98.22. Until then, holding above this area allows this market to rally back into the 160s, which will be an important test for it as we move into the second quarter of this year. I'm going to leave you with this image here. This pretty much says everything for today. Above 118.30, we're still strong. We can take out yesterday's high and test 127.28 intraday. Inversely, breaking our opening below 118.30, 110.81 in reach. All the minor points, FYI, have been carefully chosen. They're very well suited for aggressive day traders. But if you're looking for the setup of the day as a day trader who makes one trade a day, let's say, breaking or opening below 118.30, 110.81. Opening above 118.30, it can hold through the rest of the week, 127.28 in reach today. And assuming we continue closing above 118.30, this 139 handle resistance, a 3 to 5 day objective. And that is all I have for Tuesday's Daily Tesla Report. I'll be back again, of course, with Wednesdays tomorrow. You have a great day.